The Make One increase is a really wonderful option for increasing in that it is much less visible than the knit front and back or bar increase. And Make One is also really lovely because you can do it in a way that is more directional. You can have it leaning to the right or leaning to the left. So today we're going to talk about the Make One Right, which is if you knit, usually, for instance, if you're doing a sweater, you're going to be doing your increases on the ends of your work. So you tend to want to knit the first stitch so you have a nice clean edge. And then in between your stitches, if you pull your work apart a little bit, you'll see there's a little bar right there. That guy. That's what you're going to be using to perform this increase. And to make one right, what you'll do is you'll take that bar and with your left hand needle you'll go and pick up that bar from the back side. So you'll just go around the bar and pick it up from the back, and then you'll simply knit it like normal. And it can be a little bit tricky to get into because it's twisting. And that is an increase made. So I'll knit to the end. And now we'll do the Make One Left, which is going to be just before our last stitch. And once again, we're going to pick up that little bar, but instead of going around and picking it up from the back, we're just going to go in through the front of the stitch, or the front of the, it's not really a stitch, the front of the bar. And we will knit that, instead of knitting it normally, we're going to go through and knit that through the back of the stitch, like that. And then knit your last stitch. So that is a pair of matched decreases. Make one right and make one left. So we'll purl really quickly and we'll do a couple more pairs so you guys can see how to do it again, and also so you can get a sense of how the matched increases make your work look, which is really nice. So knit a stitch, find that bar. For Make One Right, go in through the back of the loop and knit it normally through the front of the stitch. Work to the end. And for Make One Left, go through the front of the stitch and knit it through the back like so. And as you can see, it leaves just the tiniest little gap, but it's a really lovely increase, and it's very nice because it really is quite directional. So that is how to do the Make One, both right and left.